Hey fellas! Welcome to Kids Adventures with Sweet Fella Alex.
So this tour is around 2 hours, and in the tour we are going to pass for all neighborhoods here in the city. So we are going to start here, and we are going to pass for Central or Havana. We are now Central Havana, Vedado, New Vedado, Miramar. Miramar is in a diplomatic area, was for the rich families before 1959. But remember, when it was established a socialist system, some of these families moved for US, and then the government gives some empty houses for some countries to make embassy and diplomatic houses. And in the tour, we are going to do 3 stops. First in the Revolution Square, second in the Havana Forest, and third in the National Hotel. And in the National Hotel, you have a drink included.
My leg hurts.
Your leg hurt? Well, you'll be riding in the car for the next 2 hours.
You love the cars? Yeah. Look at this.
Hola, my friend.
Come on.
Alex, you don't get to ride in cars like this often.
This is amazing.
You want me to sit next to the window? Okay. Look at that.
That's the pink one doing that.
Camilo Cienfuegos, Ministerio de Telecomunicaciones.
Alex, qué bonitos los colores.
Eating tacos out of the sky, and we're in a Ford Fairlane.
I'll never, never, never let you go.
For kids, one
Yes,
without
yes,
alcohol.
yes. Alex, you get your own drink. Look, what do you say?
¿Quiere o no quiere? ¿Para ella no? One of the most famous presidents is living here in Cuba for many times and for many hours. For example, just in one day for 6 hours. Wow. So in Cuba, okay, so in Cuba there are 16 provinces, and all the provinces has a revolution square like this, but with different names according to different Cuban heroes. In this case, we call it this square, Revolution Square, or Jose Marti Square. Why Jose Marti? You see in front of you there is an monument of Jose Marti. Jose Marti is considered a national hero. Okay, so behind the tower there is a big building and a big tower. So behind the monument with 142 meters of height, the top of the tower is the highest point of the city. So you can see behind you the old Havana and Central Havana, and the top of the tower is the highest point of the city.